What's the meaning of blazing hot? Blazing hot. Blazing hot.
Blazing hot. Blazing hot. Blazing hot is a common idiom used to describe extreme heat or high temperatures. The word blazing suggests a bright, intense flame or heat, while hot indicates warmth beyond a comfortable level. It can be used to describe weather, food, or an object that is too heated to touch. The term is often used in summer months when temperatures are high and the sun is strong. In some cases, blazing may also imply a sense of urgency or intensity beyond just the temperature itself. Overall, blazing hot conveys a feeling of discomfort, intensity, and extreme heat.